Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Clash of Clans with your Facebook. So linking your account can help with saving your progress and connecting with your Facebook friends. So let's dive in to see how we can make this happen. Firstly, we start by launching the Clash of Clans application on your phone. And then in the game, if you tap on the gear icon in the lower right hand corner to access the settings menu. Look for the More Settings tabs and then find the Connect and Social section. You should see an option to link your account to Facebook, so you just tap that, connect next to the Facebook logo, then you'll be redirected to Facebook login page, where you can enter your Facebook credentials and tap Login to authorize the linking. Once logged in, you might be asked to grant permissions for Clash of Clans to access your Facebook account. So approve the permissions to complete the link, and after connecting you should see a confirmation message in the Clash of Clans indicating that your account is now linked to Facebook. To ensure everything is set up correctly, you can check your Facebook profile to see if Clash of Clans is listed under the connected apps. And that's pretty much it. That's how to link your Clash of Clans account with Facebook.